Welcome back friends. Today we learn about a Avil 25 mg tablet. Avil 25 tablet is an anti-allergic medicine used in the treatment of various allergic conditions. It provides relief from runny nose, sneezing, itching and watery eyes. Avil 25 mg tablet should be taken with food, but take it at the same time every day to get the most benefit. The dose and how often you take it depends on what you are taking it for. Your doctor will decide how much you need to improve your symptoms. You should take this medicine for as long as it is prescribed for you. In case you have missed any dose, take the next dose as soon as you remember it. However, you should never take a double dose. Sleepiness is the most common side effect of these medicines. Avoid driving or attention-seeking activity. If these bother you or appear serious, let your doctor know. There may be way of reducing or preventing them. In some cases, it may cause dry mouth, so it is advised to drink more water, always carry sugar candy, or maintain oral hygiene. Before taking this medicine, let your doctor know if you have glaucoma or have asthma issues or have high blood pressure. Inform your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Your doctor should also know about all other medicines you are taking, as many of these may make these medicines less effective or change the way it works. Generally, it is advised to avoid alcohol while on treatment. You are taking as many of these may take these medicines less effective or change the way it works. Generally, it is advised to avoid alcohol while on treatment. Now we move to benefits of Avil tablet in treatment of allergic conditions. Avil 25 mg tablet provides relief from symptoms such as blocked or runny nose, sneezing and itchy or watery eyes. This will make it easier for you to go about your daily activities. It can also give relief from an allergic reactions after insect bite and symptoms of hives and eczema such as rashes, swelling, itching and irritations. This will improve the appearance of your skin and you may find that your mood and self-confidence improves as well as. It rarely has any serious side effects and you may only need to take on days you have symptoms. If you are taking it to prevent irritating symptoms, you should use it regularly to get the most benefit. At the last of this video, now learn about how Avil tablet works. Avil 25 mg tablet is an anti-allergic medicine when your body is exposed to an allergen, pollen, animal dander, house dust, etc. It produces a chemical called histamine. This causes watery eyes, running nose, or blocked nose, sneezing, skin rashes, itching, etc. Avil 25 mg tablet works by blocking the action of histamine, thereby relieving these symptoms. That's all about Avil tablet, friends. I hope video is good for you or knowledgeable for you. Thanks friends, take care, bye bye and be careful. Medicine.